Rise in Missouri. Said you're in excellent shape in Missouri.
The mayor of St. Louis told me that he had been mayor many years, and he'd been in politics all of his life, and he's 67 years old. And he had never seen people as likely to go wild as now, and that there's absolutely no way you could anticipate them, and this thing could just backfire so quick you don't know what to do. He said that everybody's got something that they've been against through the years, and they're quite frustrated, and everybody from a woman having to change her life on down to somebody that's afraid the nigger is going to move next to him, or somebody that's afraid the nigger is not.
Yeah.
And he just says that he's surprised with everybody getting jobs and doing well and as fine as they are, but that is it, and don't underestimate it, and said that he who does so at his own peril.
That's exactly my judgment.